Good evening. It is Wednesday, April 5th. Just wanted to do a really quick update on the off-grid hot water system. In the spring, I had some real basic problems. Ended up being just connections, power connections to the water and a couple of seals, but and then I did make the new coil because the old coil started to leak. That was a 20-foot coil, and that was the one that overheated on me, like over and over and over again. It heated extremely efficiently, but too efficiently, and if I had the fire ripping too hot, it would heat up the water in the coil so fast that it would boil before it could get out. And yeah, in years past, I ended up blowing tons of these lines. Like, I've got, I'll just show you for kicks. Those are all lines that I've blown. I save them for some of the fittings and connectors that can be reused in case of an emergency, whatever. But so far, this system, the way it's put together with the brass splitters, stupid dogs, and the steel ball valves, this particular brand of I've even got a couple extras. I always start the winter with a couple extras. There they are. I didn't need them all winter long. These made it just fine. Water is currently 124 degrees. I believe my daughter is taking a shower right now. This pump has been going for about a year straight. Never leaked a drop. Never, other than the temporary power interruption, which was just a wiring issue, and my voltage step down converter ended up being the main problem. As soon as I put a new step down converter on, 24 to 12 volts, then she fired right back up, and this circulates 24/7 all winter long. So it hasn't turned off since like October, mid September, October-ish, when I started having to burn wood to heat water. We switch over. I've got this temporarily disconnected, but this is the return from the solar thermo, and I disconnect them both. There's the return and the send for the solar thermo that goes outside, and I've got different videos about that. But as far as the winter system and it heating from the wood furnace, this has worked flawless. This pump has held up good, so I'm gonna dig back into my orders list, find out exactly when I bought this, and I'll try to post a link for it. But I've used different pumps in the past. I'm gonna stick with this. I'll probably order 2-3 more of these, just to have extra parts on hand. But so far so good. Everything's worked out perfect. I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do was feed the wood furnace, and we've maintained hot water, had no leaks, no blown lines, no problems at all. And the 15-foot copper coil, works well enough. The recovery time, we can do on a full water tank, we can do 3 showers. We're a family of 5, so as long as we're not assholes about it, we can get 3 showers out of a tank, and it takes a good probably an hour and a half to recover, as long as we don't suck it down too cold. But yeah, I'm just happy it's not blowing up anymore. That's a very small compromise in my opinion. Yes, the 20-foot coil heated the water faster, but it got it dangerously hot, like 150, 160 degree water, like where I could hear the lines creaking. It was so hot and it was building up so much pressure. That's dangerous. That thing can turn into a missile if it blows. Fortunately, the lines always blew first, but we had a couple of incidents where like a lot of water came out, and it wasn't a good thing. But the 15-foot cable or coil worked out to be perfect. So life is good. Water's hot. House is hot. Winter's almost over. So that's it. I'll keep it short. Thanks for watching. God bless you.